Beijing 2022 organizers have vowed to deliver a sustainable and eco-friendly games. In line with this commitment, snowmaking has been adopted at some of the Beijing 2022 venues. Artificial snow was first used at the 1980 Lake Placid Olympic Winter Games. Around 90% of snow used at the alpine skiing venue for the Pyeongchang 2018 Winter Olympics was artificial. Chinese researchers have also devoted plenty of efforts to bringing about artificial snow that meets Olympic standards.
科研公开团队主要聚焦于以下4个方面的研究内容：一是对滑雪场赛道的雪质进行预测和预估；二是高山冰冷雪赛道制作的关键技术；三是研发属地化的初雪技术；四是智能化集成的造雪系统。
Competition snow requires a higher density than recreational snow in order to meet the requirements of the former International Ski Federation and to ensure conditions are consistent and fair for each competitor. The FIS freestyle coordinator Joseph Fitzgerald told Xinhua that snowmaking is a requirement by the FIS in order to hold ski competitions that can be separated in time. And experts say snowmaking is not an irreversible consumption of water resources. Instead, the snow melt water can be recycled into reservoirs.